This steering wheel is off of a 2020 Hyundai Venue, and these wheels didn't have, or not all of them, had leather on them from the factory. So this customer wants to upgrade this steering wheel to have leather on it. We also have another problem. If you look at that wheel straight on, you can see that the top right is actually bent. Probably happened pulling the steering wheel off, and the customer might have not known that steering wheels bend fairly easily and might have been yanking on it at the top and bottom instead of the two sides. You want to make sure whenever you're pulling the steering wheel off, you hold it here and here as you rock it off of the steering column. But we're going to go ahead and fix that little problem for the customer, and then we're going to put new leather on this to make it look like a luxurious vehicle. So take a look at how gorgeous this 2020 Hyundai Venue steering wheel turned out. That nice new leather on it. We used a Porsche leather with a slight texture to it, hand stitched it up with that baseball stitching, and it looks just like it came this way from the factory. So any steering wheel, any make, year, or model, we take care of them here at Craft Customs.